Hi, this is the Tecno Pova 5 Pro and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll see here the flashlight icon. Just tap on the flashlight to activate flashlight or to turn it off by this way. When you just click here to the flashlight um, button once again, you'll see here the back flashlight option, the front flashlight option, and also you could use the back and just the back and front flashlights together by this way. So as you can see, that's so simple to change and to activate and turn off the flashlight on our Tecno Pova 5 Pro. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.